My name is Charlie Holmes, and this is my 1964 21 window sunroof bus. I got this, purchased it from my brother-in-law 12 years ago when he got a divorce from my sister. He needed to get rid of this, and I was the lucky one to be able to purchase it from him. He wanted to keep it in the family, and we're still good friends. He found it in Ohio in a barn. In the barn door, you could see the VW chrome emblem peeking through the doors. That's when he asked the gentleman, and then they struck a deal. I've used this VW bus in the years as just going to shows, and it's been a very dependable vehicle for me. The best things about my bus is it's originally basically stock, and it's all original, except I put the white wall tires on it to make it look the way I want it to look. It has the original top, the sliding sunroof, and the original rubber around the windows. The engine is basically stock, the 1500cc engine, and the best thing about it, the bus has right now 43,500 miles on it, and it's documented underneath the deck lid. The gentleman that had it, he wrote underneath the deck lid what he did to the vehicle and the date and mileage. So it shows that it is, the mileage on the odometer is accurate. One other special feature about my bus is the safari windows. These are the original safari windows that came with the bus. And one way you can tell the original safari windows is the bump on the ridge. The reproductions are flat. Well, most of my friends, they have named all their buses, and I just kind of refuse to name it. So lately I thought about it into what name I want to have on my VW bus, and the best name is my mother's name, is Genevieve. It's kind of old-fashioned name, but it's her, and it means a lot to me, just like my mother did. So that's why I named it Genevieve, and that's why I have it inscripted on the side of the vent window. One thing I really like about my bus is that when I take it to shows, people always come up to me and ask me how long I've had it, what am I going to do with it, and one thing that they remember is how they had a VW bus and how they took a road trip with their parents over across the country back in the 70s. It brings back very good memories to others who want to own a VW bus like this but do not have the means to do it at the time. It's very nice to see the gratification on their face when you let them sit in your Volkswagen bus and they can bring back the memories, even though they're sitting in the great middle seat, but back in the day they were sitting on a beanbag.